If you need lighting and power, we've got you covered. Check out our massive selection at LarsonElectronics.com. Are you looking for disinfection and sanitation lighting that can kill 99.9% of viruses? UVC. We have UVC sanitation light cards for automated sanitation, handheld UVC lighting for close-up sanitation, HVAC air sanitation, and air sanitation lights for occupied areas. You want power? We've got power distribution units that are fully customizable. We even have explosion-proof lighting for hazardous locations. We carry LED lighting for boating, fishing, camping, hunting, vehicles, and more. Made and manufactured right here in our own Texas-based facility. You want power? We've got you covered. Check out Larson Electronics today.
At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.